Ethiopian Airlines is breaking new ground in aviation maintenance. Here's the story of Africa's first A350 strip and paint. On December 26, 2025, Ethiopian Airlines announced the completion of Africa's first full strip and paint program for the Airbus A350-900, successfully applied to 2 of their aircraft. This marks a major leap in the airline's MRO capabilities and technical expertise. Conducted at their Addis Ababa hub, this program builds on their earlier success with the Boeing 787 paint capabilities in 2025. Group CEO Mesfin Tasew highlighted it as a key step in advancing in-house wide-body composite structure painting. As Africa's leading carrier, this positions Ethiopian as a top MRO provider on the continent, enhancing efficiency and reducing reliance on external services. It aligns with their Vision 2035 to expand the fleet to 271 aircraft, including more A350s. The aviation community is buzzing. Posts celebrate this as a proud African milestone, boosting regional connectivity and setting new standards for maintenance. This breakthrough underscores Ethiopia's commitment to innovation. What's next for African aviation? Like and subscribe for more updates.